Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Android mobile setting, and in this video friends I will tell you how to add tags on lock screen, how to show tags in Android mobile lock screen. So friends, in your Android mobile you want to use lock screen setting, you want to add any tags, you want to show tags on your lock screen. So friends, now let's see how to show tags on lock screen. One by one we will talk about. Open your device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Android mobile. Network setting, Bluetooth setting, battery setting, notification setting. So friends, lock screen setting is not here. So friends, first of all open your phone display setting. Auto brightness, you can on adaptive brightness level you can change. Lock screen setting you can use. If you click here privacy setting, so friends, lock screen notification you can on and you can off. Add tags on lock screen setting you want to use. So then tap here, you can add tags on lock screen and you can use it. So friends, I will add here my mobile my mobile and you want to add any emojis. So friends, you can select your emojis. I will select these emojis for lock screen. Save option. Tags will show on your lock screen. Friends, you can check. Off your screen, my mobile. So like that friends, you want to add tags on your lock screen, you want to show tags on your lock screen. So friends, you can show and you can add tags on your lock screen, and you want to change and you want to remove. So friends, again open your device phone setting, open your phone display setting, open your phone lock screen setting. You want to change tags, so you can change tags. So friends, now I will set here good afternoon. Good afternoon. Save option, click here, tags will change. Now friends, you can see tags will not show my mobile, tags will show good afternoon. So like that friends, you can use lock screen shortcut setting, you can show tags on your lock screen, you can add tags on your lock screen, and you don't want to show, you want to remove. So friends, again open your phone lock screen setting, click here and you can remove your lock screen tags. Save option, click here. Friends, you can check your lock screen tags will remove. Tags will not show on lock screen. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.